Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Google Maps and centering the map where you want to change the view. Make sure your signed in and location services are enabled so Maps offers relevant imagery. Once done, tap the search bar or the blue location dot to focus. This sets the camera pivot for zoom and tilt. You do this because the initial center point determines perspective, and preparing the app saves time when you switch between map types or rotate the scene. Now change the map type and framing. Open the Layers menu and pick Satellite for imagery, Terrain for relief, or leave it default for navigation clarity. Zoom in or out with pinch gestures or the +/- buttons. Finer zoom lets you reveal labels and building shapes. To see perspective, tilt the map with a 2-finger drag or the tilt control so buildings appear in 3D. You do this because different map modes highlight different information. Combine zoom and tilt. Finish by rotating the map so it matches your intended orientation. Use 2-finger rotate or the compass control to snap north. If you need a ground perspective, drop the pegman into a street to open Street View. Then save or label the spot for quick return. Make sure to export or share the view if you need collaborators to see the exact framing. If imagery or tools don't respond, clear app cache, restart maps, or update the app to restore full functionality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.